Namashivaya children, welcome to English class. Children, we have already completed the lesson, The Model Millionaire. So, shall we start with the textual exercises of the same lesson? Okay, I hope you have written keywords and meanings. You know how to write in your CW. First, open your index page, write serial number, date, and write the name of the lesson, The Model Millionaire. And then open the new page and start the top of the page. You have to write the name of the lesson and then first main keywords. I hope you have already written the keywords. So once again we'll go through the keywords. First one, fascinating, profile, colonel, freckled face, sought after, guineas, forlorn, wretched, curse, all tears and tatters, sovereign, extravagance, conquest, falling to bits, relentless. Then second main meanings, fascinating, charming, profile. Here a person's face from the side. Then third one, freckled face, face with many small brownish spots. Then fourth one, sought after, in demand, or everyone's favorite. Then coarse, rough. Sixth one, all tears and tatters, clothes that are old and badly torn. Guineas, old British coins, each worth 21 shillings. Then forlorn, sad and lonely, wretched, very unhappy, sovereign, a British gold coin that was used in the past. Took his leave, said goodbye to someone and left. Then extravagance, wasteful or careless spending. Falling to bits, in a very bad condition because of being used over a long time. Then relentless, strict and stubborn. Sulkily, in an angry but quiet manner. Duffer, informal children, a clumsy and foolish person. Rare, uncommon or difficult to find. These are all the meanings. After this, after each main, children, draw the lines. Whenever you are drawing the lines, use pencil to draw the lines. Okay, next third main, answer these questions. First one, describe the appearance of the beggar man in the studio of Alan Trevor. Answer, the beggar was old, bent, and had a sad expression. His coarse cloak was badly torn and shoes were patched. He held out a battered hat for arms. After this, draw one line. Then second one, why was Hughie first angry and then highly embarrassed after he met Alan that night? Answer, Hughie was angry that Alan had not told him that the beggar was actually a millionaire. He was embarrassed that he had given a sovereign as alms to a millionaire. After this, draw one line. Then third one, what surprise awaited Hughie the next morning? Answer, the next morning Hughie was surprised by a visit from a messenger of Baron Husbug. Baron Husbug had offered a check for 10,000 to Hughie as his wedding present. Then next read these sentences from the text and answer the questions that follow. And by the way, you have made a conquest. And by the way, you have made a conquest. A. Who is the speaker and who is he speaking to? Answer, Alan is speaking to Hughie. Second one, in that, B. How had the listener made a conquest and of whom? Answer, Hughie had made a conquest of the millionaire Baron Husbug by giving him alms. Then C. What does the word conquest means in this sentence? Answer. Here, conquest means to impress favorably, to make a very good impression on someone. After this, draw one line. Then second one, what a duffer he must think. Who is the speaker? Answer. Hughie is the speaker. Then B. Who is he? Here, he is the millionaire Baron Husberg. Then C. What makes him say this? The speaker had given a sovereign as alms to a millionaire and was now regretting it. After this, draw one line. Then the next main is think and answer. First one, how was the author indicated that the Baron was very amused and enjoyed the fact that he was mistaken for an unfortunate beggar. The Baron laughed to himself and asked many questions about Hughie. After this, draw one line. Second one, if the Baron had not given the gift to Hughie, would Hughie have been able to marry Laura? How would he have solved his problem? The answer is no. Hughie would have had to find some way of getting 10,000 pounds. Okay, you can give another reason, children, which is very appropriate for this situation. Okay. Then next, value-based questions. You don't have to be rich to be generous. Express your thoughts on this viewpoint. This also you can write it on your own. You can give your own thoughts. Okay. Answer. It is not necessary that one has to be rich in order to be generous. A poor person can also be generous if he or she has a kind heart and wishes to help others. Conversely, a rich person may not be generous and choose not to help others in spite of having a lot of wealth. Then, next main is using grammar, that is determiners. I have already sent the video on this. I think you have already watched the video and understood what is the determiners and how to use all, each, every, few and little. Okay. Then first one, fill in the blanks with all, each, every, few and little. First one, they had free times because there was little to do. Second one, only a few songs in this film are melodious. Then third one, Sadhna took photographs of each place she visited. Fourth one, all students must fill in this form. Fifth one, please make sure that the news reaches every student. After this, draw one line. The next main, fill in the blanks using phrasal verbs according to the meaning given in the brackets. So you have to write the same words which gives the same meaning which the words given in the bracket. Okay. First one, take off is the correct word. That means which gives the same as remove. Your jacket. Then please look up. It gives the same meaning as consult. The reference in the encyclopedia. I will look after, that is the word to take care of, your plants while you are away. Then fourth one, hurry up. This means be quick or you will miss the bus. Then fifth one, please fill up means complete the form in detail. Okay, children, I hope you have understood how to write it in the CW. You have to write all the mains in the CW. After each main, draw one line, children. It should be very beautiful. Don't make mistakes. You can refer textbook for the meanings and even for the questions also you can refer the textbooks. Okay. And then It should be very neat, children. You write your CW, complete the CW, and learn all the question and answers, meanings, and the spellings of the difficult words. Understood, children? I'll be back with another video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.